Akadeco's textured mold-proof wall tile sticker are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also feature waterproof and oil-resistant properties, making them particularly suitable for humid environments like kitchens and bathrooms. This design and quality make our products very popular in the American and European markets. Whether for new home decoration or old home renovation, Akadeco textured mold-proof wall tile sticker can bring a refreshing feel to your home. Akadeco always adheres to a quality-first principle, with each textured mold-proof wall tile sticker undergoing rigorous quality testing and displaying unique decorative effects. Thank you to our global customers' trust and support of Akadeco products. Your satisfaction is our motivation to continually innovate and advance. Follow me for an in-depth look at a unique textured mold-proof wall tile sticker manufacturer.